there is this crazy feeling of like liberation and sense of feeling, and it's so oxymoronic because at the same time there's like overwhelming pressure that you also now need to get a job. But yeah, just that feeling of not having to go into the office anymore is like beautiful, whilst also having that like impending doom feeling. But obviously I've come to the woods to celebrate officially being on gardening leave, and I don't think there's much of a better way to celebrate it. I do have a few beers for later, but yeah, no more Microsoft Teams for the time being anyway.